Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how that you can make about $300 per week using Google search engine and other major search engines like Yahoo, Bing, and other ones like that, right from the comfort of your home for free, pretty much from anywhere in the world. So let's go ahead and get started on this video so I can show you this method. Pretty excited to show you this. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video here. My name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel here that you see on YouTube. And if this is your first time here to my videos and or you've been here before, well, reach down there if you haven't done so already and hit that subscribe button down there below, and don't forget to click the notification bell to the right of it there so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here for you guys on this channel, because I'm always trying to come out with ways to help you bring more time and financial freedom into your lives with each and every video that I upload to my channel. Alright, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on this video here now. I'm going to show you how you can use Google searches and make about $300 per week. Alright, and what I'll say in the outset here is this job is pretty much available anywhere. Like I told you, you can do it right from the comfort of your own home. And what I recommend that you do, if you're interested in starting your own business in affiliate marketing, is you take some of the money that you make from this work that you do here, and you can invest in an affiliate marketing business of your choice. Okay, but let me show you this particular way that you can do this today. Here, as you can see, I've come over here to google.com, and you can see I'm at Google, and you see what I've typed into the search engine right here. It says how many Google searches are made per day. And just to see here, look at this guys, 5.6 billion searches per day. You can see right here, although Google does not share exact numbers as reported by the SEOtribunal.com, Google handles 3.8 million searches per minute on average across the globe. That's incredible. That comes out to about 228 million searches per hour, or 5.6 billion searches per day, or 2 trillion searches per year. That's a lot of searches. To talk about what I'm talking to you about today is you want to come over here. If we come to Glassdoor.com right here, and I did a little search. Glassdoor is a website where you can search about any industry you want and show how many jobs are available, how much the salaries are, and so on and so forth. And if you'll notice, up here at the top in the search engine right here, I typed in Web Search Evaluator. Web Search Evaluator, and then I chose salaries, and I just typed in New York City because it's a large metropolitan area, right? I mean, you could do this with any city or in any country that you want to do this with on Glassdoor.com here. And as you can see, Web Search Evaluator salaries, just in the New York area alone, are roughly about $38,000 per year. That comes out to about roughly $300 to $400 per week, somewhere in that range, maybe a little bit more. You can see that there's quite a demand for this Web Search Evaluator that you can do, and just all you're doing is doing searches that the company wants you to do right from the comfort of your own home. So if you're good with searches, that's basic requirement, is to be good with searching on any of the search engines, and or if you have any transcribing skills or anything like that, that is probably going to be helpful to you as well as if you're able to speak any kind of a foreign language other than English, you should be able to do this as well. Alright, so as you can see here, some of the companies, this company right here, Appen, I see here right now at this very moment, is looking for Web Search Evaluator in Chinese. So if you speak Chinese, like I said, a foreign language, you can certainly get in on us, but they do have it for English as well, which I'll show you here in a moment. And the average salary is about $27,000 to $37,000 per year doing this work. So if we come over here to Appen, the site appen.com, actually it's connect.appen.com, you see right here. I'm at the home page here on this, and then you can see here it talks a little bit about being an independent contractor. As an Appen independent agent, you'll enjoy the freedom and flexibility to choose when and the amount of time that you want to work, allowing you to balance your career, family, and friends. Appen provides exciting home-based career opportunity where you can put your acute analytical skills to work. providing valuable feedback and critical insight for some of today's leading corporations and companies. With no set schedules at any kind, app agents enjoy the flexibility to choose how much and when to work. So you see, you're not being an employee here. This is just an independent contractor, and you can work when and where whenever you want to, kind of thing. And it gives a little overview of it here. And it says no set hours or schedules, and it talks about some of that same thing again. All app and independent agents enjoy competitive pay as independent contractors, it says right here, and so on and so forth. And then some of the requirements that they require here is you got to be at least 18 years of age to become an app and agent, and you need a high-speed internet access, personal computer running Google's free Chrome web browser, and up-to-date antivirus and anti-spyware software. And then basic skills, excellent web research skills and analytical abilities, which most people do, right? I mean, with 5.6 billion searches per day on Google, as an example, that covers everybody in the world. Everybody knows how to search on Google, right? And excellent comprehension and written communication, and many app and independent agent assignments require fluency in a language other than just English. So, and then you don't need to purchase any software other than antivirus and so on and so forth. And you don't need any kind of fancy headset or anything, because you're not going to be taking any telephone calls or anything like that. So all you'll be doing is researching. So what you want to come do is come over here, and then they got some frequently asked questions right here. We won't go through all this, but you guys can check this out when you come over here to this site and see some of these frequently asked questions here. Then if we click on Become an Agent here on Appen, you can see right now, Appen, it says here, Appen is seeking candidates in different countries and languages for exciting work from home opportunities, and so on and so forth. And then down here, you can see that right here, right now, they're looking for search media evaluation, work with the world's top search engine companies such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, and there's many others that they'll probably use as well. And they also have jobs available in translation, transcription, survey and data collection, and linguistic specialties, lexicon annotation, and speech evaluation. And as you can see right here, it's pretty much available all over the world, guys. There should be no reason, doesn't matter what country you live in, you should be able to come over here and do this and sign up for Appen and do this particular work. As you can see, it is literally available all over the whole world. Okay? So there's no reason that you can't come over here and take action on this, become an agent to do a web search evaluation using Google, and start making a pretty good amount of money per week, roughly about 300 or a little bit more per week doing this work. And then what you want to do is, once you get a little bit of money doing that and you want to have your own affiliate marketing business, well, if you look at the end of the video here coming up, I'm going to have my affiliate marketing playlist up there, and you can watch those videos and see the other affiliate marketing programs that I tell you about in my videos and how you can get started in with them. Now, you can build an affiliate marketing business for free. You can do that for sure, but it just takes a long time to build up an audience of people to do that, to sell your products to. And so it's always better if you have a little bit of money to invest into your own home business, like affiliate marketing, or if you want to do e-commerce, that's available to you too. And so the more money you have to get jump started, the quicker you'll be able to make money in an online business and affiliate marketing, whatever it is you want to do. So if you want to check that out, reach down there and see my number one way that I make money online through affiliate marketing by clicking down there at the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and see my number one recommended affiliate marketing business selling high ticket products where you can make up to $3,000 or $4,000 in just one day's time. Possibility with all the education that is available to you too, to show you how to do it the correct way. So also, like I said, there's other videos I'll have on affiliate marketing that you see here at the end, and you can watch those, and it shows like ClickBank and Warrior and different JVZoo and different platforms that you can use to do affiliate marketing with as well. Well guys, if you like this video and got some value out of it, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. It'll help my channel and the Google or YouTube algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And I'm going to let you guys go with that, and I'll see you guys here in a couple of days or so. And don't forget to leave questions or comments down below as well if you want, and I'll get back with you. But I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have a great day today. Bye-bye now.